We've researched over 30 of the best camping cots on the market, then bought the 8 most promising models to test head-to-head and help you find the perfect one for your next night under the stars or your next overnight guest. We extensively tested these cots, rating and comparing how easy these products are to assemble, how comfortable they are, and how easy they are to transport, as well as how durable they are. Keep reading to find out which cot is the comfiest, which is the quickest to put together, and which is the best bargain. The first product on our list is Coleman Pack-Away Cot. If you're on the hunt for an excellent all-around cot, it's hard to beat the Coleman Pack-Away Cot. This model is a cinch to set up and take down, taking only a few minutes with its mostly unibody construction. It offers tons of support for both back and side sleepers and doesn't have any bars across your head or feet to hitch during the night. It folds up into a relatively compact form, isn't too heavy, and seems to be built very sturdily, though it definitely isn't made for backpacking. Our main issue with this cot is that it doesn't lock into the unfolded position. This was never an issue once it was set up, however, the legs tended to buckle if we found ourselves dragging it around the campsite. This meant it always warranted a little extra caution to make sure the legs were in the correct position before sitting down as well. It could also be a bit temperamental on uneven ground. Regardless, it's one of our all-time favorite sleeping solutions when camping, and we would highly recommend it to anyone who wants a top-tier cot. The second product on our list is KingCamp Folding Deluxe. If you are shopping for a new cot on a budget and aren't looking to use it for backpacking, then the KingCamp Folding Deluxe is a wonderful option. In terms of folding or unfolding, this product is easily our favorite, usually only taking a minute or two to get the bed fully assembled. This lightweight cot is essentially the same form factor as a chair in a bag, with a similar folding mechanism. It has an integrated headrest which is excellent for a nap on the beach or a great addition to a car camping setup. While we did think the KingCamp Folding Deluxe cot is plenty comfortable, it is a bit narrow, doesn't support you quite as uniformly as other models we tested. The folding mechanism also doesn't seem as heavy-duty as other products, and given our experience with folding chairs in a bag, we wouldn't be surprised if this isn't the most durable of the cots we have tested. Nevertheless, when it comes to unpacking, it is by far the most convenient, and its low retail price makes it the perfect option for anyone shopping for a new cot with limited funds. The next product is Helinox Lite. If you looked at the Coleman Pack-Away or KingCamp Folding Deluxe cots and thought they were enormous, then the Helinox Lite is the cot for you. Tipping the scales at just under 3 pounds, this model is actually designed for backpacking. It could easily be strapped to a pack and is the perfect option for anyone who has struggled to find a camping pad that worked for them or has to sleep on their side in the backcountry. Unfortunately, we found the Helinox Lite to be one of the more difficult cots to assemble. It has lots of pieces and takes a fair bit of force to bend each leg to lock into position when putting it together. We also noticed that depending on your height, the support for your head could be lacking. It's our top recommendation if you are looking for a cot to take into the backcountry. However, its high price and finicky assembly compared to even the top-tier sleeping pads have us questioning if cots are really meant to go backpacking in the first place. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. As always, all the links about the products will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices, and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.